Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset INFINIX Hot 60i. Okay, we have two methods how we can perform a restart. We have a reset using the settings, and we can also use recovery mode. I'll show you both methods. Let's begin with the settings. Simply open them up, scroll down all the way until you find the system, scroll down once again, and click on reset phone. Remember that all of your data will be permanently erased. So, for example, it's good to have a backup of our data. If you don't know how to create such a backup, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you everything step by step, so if you want, you can watch that video. And now click on erase all data. In here you have a list of things that will be deleted from your device. And now, simply, if you click on erase all data, your device will be turned off. And after a few seconds, it will be automatically turned on again. And the setup process will appear on the screen. When it comes to the second method, the reset using the recovery mode, we need to remember about a few things. First thing is that if you have a screen lock, there's a chance that after the reset, when we get into the setup process, the phone will want you to type that screen lock as a confirmation that you're actually a user of this device. Or it will want you to sign in into the same Google account into which you were logged in before the reset. So remember about it. To perform a reset using the recovery mode, we need to power off our device first. So keep holding power button until power menu appears. And click on power off. Okay, now let's wait a few seconds. And to launch recovery mode, we need to hold power button and volume up button at the same time until we see the INFINIX logo. When it appears, release the finger from power button, but keep holding volume up. So, start by holding two buttons. It's going to take a little bit. Okay, now release the finger. Okay, and now to move around this menu, we use the volume keys. We need to select wipe data / factory reset, confirm. Again, select factory data reset, confirm. The process has now started, so we need to wait a little bit. Data wipe complete, select reboot system now, confirm. And now our device will be turned on. And the next thing that will appear on the screen will be the setup process. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.